2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.